Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So as you can see, I've got a new camera. This is actually a family member's camera, and I kind of stole it. More like borrowed it without asking. Anyway, this is a machine that I just recently picked up. Actually, I just got it today. Just ended up getting, well, picked it up about 3 hours ago. And just got home after going to a couple different places. But anyway, I have not yet opened this machine. I have absolutely no clue what's inside. I have an idea. I kind of looked through one of the opened expansion slots in the back, but I really don't know what's inside of here. I think it's probably a 486, but I don't know. I figured I'd open it on camera with you guys. This will probably be the first computer from the start of my series, I guess you'd call it. Rebuilding Retro PCs is kind of a dumb name, but that's what I came up with a while back. So I figured we'll pop this one open here, and we'll see what's inside. Before I do that, I should have probably mentioned, if you haven't watched my video where I got these, just go back. I just uploaded it. And of course, it'll probably be a little while till this video is up, but it should be the next video after this one. So, I think it's got 6 screws. Let me go ahead and pop this one open here. Alrighty guys, so I went ahead and popped off all 6 screws, and let's see if we can pop the thing off. I'm guessing it'll just slide right off. There we go. Here it goes. Let's get a good shot here. You're seeing this just as I see it. And how am I supposed to get this off? Oh, neat. Well, there we go. I don't know. Now that is really interesting. I could see that the batteries inside weren't leaking. But if you look, they're actually not even leaking at all. Doesn't even look like. Looks almost like it's a 386 board. There's the batteries though. This one's leaking. I'm wrong, that one is leaking. We'll get that out of there as soon as possible, but thankfully the board is nowhere near that, so shouldn't have a problem with that. It does, however, have a neat little ISA card in the riser card there. That is a 8-bit ISA card, so that's kind of neat. And that looks like an IDE drive, probably an early IDE drive. A little spider in there, it looks like. Oh, you can't even see it. There it is. There's the hard drive's little spider over there in the corner. But not a bad machine, actually. I'd like to see what kind of a processor it's got in it. Well, be a neat little machine to upgrade, or not even upgrade actually, just see what's inside. See if I can see any chips on here, or any type of an indication as to what's in this machine. I guess I have to take out the floppy drives in this hard drive in order to access any of that information, but there is a little sticker on the back that says the internal speaker is unplugged. So I don't know if that's a big problem or not. I don't know why that's unplugged. I don't know why it would be unplugged. Well, let's power it up and see if it works. Hopefully nothing blows up. Let me get it all plugged in and I'll get right back to you guys. Alrighty guys, so I went ahead and got her all plugged in. I got rid of that dead spider too. There it is. Can't really even see it. My tripod won't bend that way. I did look at it, and it is a 386, which is a little different than I thought it was going to be, but kind of a neat little different thing to have. It's a 386, AMD 386 SX. So let's go ahead and power it up. Make sure it don't blow up. That did not sound good at all. Well, I don't know, the video card don't seem to be working. See if I can diagnose that. Alrighty guys, so I went ahead and readjusted the video card. It was a little messed up there. Let's go ahead and give it another shot. There we go. Okay, that's kind of interesting. Let's see if I can rise my chair up a little bit. See if it's got anything on the hard drive. I don't know if this has an auto-detect BIOS for the hard drive or if I have to enter in the parameters. Exit for boot. Drive not ready. Well, we're going to definitely confirm that it turns on, so it doesn't sound too bad. I hope it's not going to blow up anytime soon. Let's go ahead and power it off. And I don't know if I'm going to continue this video or if I'm going to make a new one. That's probably going to be the end of this video, actually, for now. So this is going to be the end of this video. I know it was really short, but what I'm going to do probably is try to test out all of them, and then we'll do rebuilds on all of them too. So this will be the first test, and we'll go ahead and grab another machine and put it down here and see if it works. I think next we'll try the AST Advantage. We'll see if that one works. So, alrighty guys, so as you saw, the video on the 386 there is really cut up, and the reason for that is I ended up deciding that instead of just making individual videos about each machine, I figured I'd make one whole video about testing them and then individual videos about repairing them. So what we've got here is the AST machine. Unfortunately, it looks really sad. You can see all the dust on it, especially right there on that 5 1/4 inch drive. And also, as you can see, it's missing the front panel, which is a pretty big disappointment. I was really hoping it was going to be there. But it is a AST. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, it is. AST Advantage Adventure 8100, it looks like. 8100p. It says multimedia, so it must be a multimedia PC. So let me go ahead and pause the video really quick. I'll pull out all the screws and I'll get right back to you guys. I went ahead and popped out all the screws along the case, but I figured I'd show you guys just the back of it so you guys could see what it looked like. Looking at the power supply, it looks slightly oversized actually. Well, maybe not. Maybe that's normal power supply. I don't know. Just looks kind of oversized to me. Anyway, looking at the ports here, we've got VGA built in, parallel to serial or COM ports, and your two PS2 ports. Unfortunately, I think I might have mentioned this in the last video, I did not get a keyboard with this machine, or a mouse, or a front panel, so pretty bare bones from what I can tell. We do have a modem, however, 2 of them for some reason. This one down here has got a piece of tape over the 2 phone or line-in ports or whatever they're called, and just kind of revealing the mic there, so I don't know, maybe somebody didn't like that one or maybe it was broken. But there is another modem installed, and some sort of a sound card with a little thing in it. I don't even know what that is. Oh, that's weird. It's like a little push pin in there. Anyway, let's go ahead and pop the panel off. Alrighty guys, so we went ahead and just pulled that off. Let's see if the battery's leaking. Hopefully it's not, but you can never be too sure with a machine like this. I've had a couple Pentiums with leaking batteries. There we go. And wow, that is dusty. No hard drive. Oh yeah, it's got a hard drive. Western Digital Caviar drive. Pretty decent sized modem, it looks like. Looks like we got a sound blaster. Ooh, yay, good. It has a CR2032 battery. That is great. And doesn't look like they have the 5 1/4 inch drive connected, so maybe that doesn't work. It looks to be a considerably old drive, actually. I don't know, but it doesn't. It definitely has a hard drive in there and a spider blowing around right over there. But it's kind of neat looking. Oh, that's cool. That's an AST modem too. It's pretty neat. Not a bad looking machine at all, actually. Maybe you can see that CR2032 just barely right up in that corner right there. I'll zoom in on it a little bit for you guys. Right up in there, right behind this ribbon cable here. That's nice. That's that I don't have to worry about. Looks like this machine should work fine. So let me go ahead and plug it all in. I don't like to plug things in without making sure that they're not going to explode, but in this case I'm just kind of trying something new. So very messy desk right now, but let's go ahead and power it up. Let me just plug in the video cable here. I'm not going to connect a keyboard to it, I don't think. And we'll do power. That is a gross looking power switch. Ooh, that's not good. Okay, here it goes. Okay. Looks like we got 16 megs of RAM. Fan. That was not good. I have no clue what that was. That was not. Okay. So, that was either a fan or the power supply. I really hope it wasn't the power supply. Don't see any smoke coming out of it. Well, we're going to save this one. We're going to work on that one a little later. I am not going to plug that one in anymore. Because that did not sound good. Unless that was the... that could have very well been the speaker. Like an internal speaker noise or something. But I'm not even going to give it a try anymore. I'm just going to leave this one to sit for a while. And hopefully none of my other machines will scare me as much. Alrighty guys, so let's go get the one of the Aptivas, I think. Well, here's the Aptiva. This is the big black cased Aptiva, and it really does not look like I should be bringing these in the house. I don't know if you guys can see this on camera, but there is cobwebs all over this thing. They are dusty as heck. Of course, this one's missing the front panel, and unfortunately, when I brought this guy in the house, when I got it out of the car, it fell. It fell right out of the car door and crashed on the side here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but right there it is just completely scuffed. Smashed. This guy smashed right on the ground. It sucks. I don't know if the machine looks... I don't know if it works. It looks like the battery holder is broken. Thankfully, I've got quite a few of those CR2032 battery holders from a couple dead motherboards, and I can just solder a new one on there. All of them have the original hard drives, though, which is extremely nice, including this one. Looks like it's got a Maxtor drive. Probably what, like a 6 gigabyte? Or not even, probably. More like you might have seen it then, I don't know. Well, the camera's not really focusing very well. But anyway, I suppose we should probably go ahead and turn this one on. Here's the back of it. Pretty regular old system. You got your power supply up here, which you can't see. Like I said, it's an oversized power supply. Pretty big power supply. And we've got your ports in the back here. Joystick. Can't even see my finger again. Joystick. Audio. Mic looks like, I don't know, audio in or out, audio in or out, VGA, 2 USB ports, PS2, and then parallel, and 1 COM port. So, let's go ahead and move the camera right over here. Hope I don't get some sort of a copyright problem, because there's music playing in the background there. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Hopefully it doesn't mess up the video or anything. I really don't know if this machine will work. It fell. Okay, I don't know what that beep code is. I suppose it could be video card. Could be RAM too. Sorry guys. Power button works. Let me shut off the camera again and see if I can figure this out. Alrighty guys, so I went ahead and stuck a 64 megabyte stick that was not originally in this machine that I had. And it didn't get any beep code, but I quickly turned it off, just so I could kind of film it on camera. This is the original RAM that was in there. It's a 32 meg stick of IBM RAM actually. Whoops. And there was also this upgrade in here, which is 128 megabytes. Which you might be able to make out, even though the camera won't focus. So let's go ahead and power it up. Okay. I don't know. The video is not showing up. That's kind of odd. I do have this diamond video card here. I might try to plug that in and see if it makes a difference. I had this in here originally because I thought the beeping was because of a bad video card. But it was bad RAM, just as kind of I suspected originally. And then I kind of thought, well, maybe it's a video card. Unless this is only meant to show up on the monitor that came with it, which I've also got. But let's test this out, see if this makes a difference. Well guys, after looking at a couple different things, I've kind of come to the idea that this machine is not working right now at all. I can't get it to work. It does, as you saw, it does turn on, but it doesn't actually display anything on the screen. I tried a different video card, but I'm thinking it might just be the fact that the computer needs the regular original monitor. I don't know. What I'll do though is I'll go ahead and set this one off to the side, and we'll get on to the next one, and I'll just come back to this one when I'm kind of rebuilding it and cleaning it back up, and we'll see if we can fix it then. Anyway, let me go get the other Aptiva, and we'll see if we can get that one working. So I'm going to have to end the video here, and the reason for doing that is because I couldn't figure out how to take apart the other Aptiva that I was going to repair, or kind of show you guys. So that's going to be a surprise for me and for you guys to see what it is. It looks like it has a FireWire card in it, and an Ethernet card, and I think a modem too. So that'll be something for another video. But next video, I'm going to record right after I'm done with this. I'm going to be restoring the 386. So look forward to that. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later with another video.